In the heart of Anatolia, as dawn breaks over ancient valleys, hundreds of colorful balloons rise into the sky. This is not just a flight. This is Cappadocia International Balloon Festival, where history, nature, and dreams all take flight together. Today, we'll journey above one of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth, exploring the story of a festival that has become a true global celebration. Before sunrise, the valley comes alive. Pilots prepare their balloons, giant canvases of color slowly rising from the earth. Tourists gather with cameras ready, holding their breath for the moment of liftoff. And then, suddenly, the sky blooms. Dozens, even hundreds of balloons float together, drifting silently above the fairy chimneys. It's a moment that feels timeless, as if the earth itself is holding its breath in awe. No matter where you come from, you'll find yourself speechless in this sky. Cappadocia, a land carved by fire and shaped by wind. Millions of years ago, massive volcanic eruptions created these surreal valleys and rock formations. Over time, nature sculpted fairy chimneys, caves, and ridges that look like something out of a fantasy novel. For centuries, people carved homes, churches, and even underground cities here. But today, the skies above Cappadocia host another wonder, a festival unlike any other. The Cappadocia Balloon Festival began as a vision to showcase this unique landscape not only on the ground, but from the heavens. What started as a local event has now grown into an international spectacle, attracting pilots, travelers, and dreamers from all over the world. For many, this festival is not just about flying, it's about joining a global family in the sky. What makes the festival so unique is its spirit of unity. Pilots from across the globe bring balloons decorated with flags, patterns, even cartoon characters. In the air, borders disappear. Different languages, different cultures, all sharing the same sky. Here, Cappadocia becomes more than a place. It becomes a symbol of peace, imagination, and togetherness. Yet, the magic of Cappadocia is not only in the sky. Down on the ground, another adventure awaits, one just as timeless. This land has been known for centuries as the land of beautiful horses. Riding through the valleys on horseback, you feel connected to history itself. The clip-clop of hooves echoes through canyons where ancient civilizations once walked. Imagine drifting in a balloon at sunrise, and then, later that day, galloping through Red Valley as the sun sets. The contrast is breathtaking. The silence of the skies, the rhythm of the earth. Here, every path tells a story. Whether on horseback, walking among fairy chimneys, or riding an ATV across the rugged landscape, Cappadocia offers adventures that go beyond the ordinary. The balloon festival may fill the skies with color, but it is the valleys, the horses, and the people that complete the story. Together, they make Cappadocia not just a destination, but a dream you can live. Beyond the magic, the balloon festival also brings life to the region. Hotels fill with guests, local artisans share their crafts, restaurants echo with laughter in many tongues. It strengthens tourism, supports families, and spreads the name of Cappadocia across the world. But perhaps the greatest legacy of this festival is inspiration. For every visitor who comes, the memory of a sunrise above Cappadocia becomes a story they carry for life. As the balloons drift back to Earth, one truth remains. Cappadocia's sky is not just a backdrop, it's a stage for human wonder. Each balloon carries more than passengers. It carries dreams, hopes, and a vision of a world united in beauty. And as you watch the sky above Cappadocia, you may find yourself dreaming too. Because here, in this ancient land, the sky is always closer. And so are your dreams.